Tired of worrying about unauthorized access to your crypto funds? Let's lock down your Bybit account in just a few simple steps by setting up a fund password. First, launch the Bybit app on your mobile device. Once you're on the home screen, look for the profile icon, typically located in the top left corner of the screen, and tap it to access your account settings. In the Account Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Security option. Tap on Security to proceed to the Security settings. On the Security page, you'll see a list of security features. Locate the Fund Password option and tap on it. This is where we'll set up your extra layer of protection. You'll now be prompted to create your fund password. Enter a strong, unique password that you don't use for any other accounts. Make sure it's something you can remember, but difficult for others to guess. Confirm the password in the designated field. After entering your desired fund password, the app will then ask you to verify your identity. You will be required to enter the verification code sent to your registered email address or phone number to confirm you are the authorized user. Once you've entered the verification code correctly, a confirmation message will appear indicating that your fund password has been successfully set up. Now, any sensitive actions like withdrawals or transferring funds will require this password, adding a significant layer of security to your account. Stay secure.